Public Petitions Committee is never in the House.
Who is that?
The Honorable Nimrod Mbui. And it defeats purpose, Honorable Speaker, for us to even be ventilating on petitions that are to go to a committee where the chair is forever absent from the House. Honorable Speaker, I think you did direct. Honorable Speaker, I can hear the Honorable
Kandie
shouting from behind.
The chair carries greater responsibility than you as a member. He's even paid for being a chair. And he must be here to listen to members. And as majority goes on, I want to ask the majority leader and your counterpart to be reporting to House Business Committee every month on how many petitions have been processed. Members of the public come to Parliament out of desperation in some cases.
Yes.
And you cannot receive their petitions and go and sit on them on end.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I'm sure the Honorable Pio and I has heard, and we will act accordingly. But I was just noting as a matter of concern, Honorable Speaker, because it's important that whenever business is being transacted that will appear before a committee, the chair to be present. And I think the chair of this Public Petitions Committee ought to know that under the particular order that we are in, every time the House rises, there will be petitions that may end up in his committee. But Honorable Speaker, allow me to also note that these cases where a director of a company ends up taking over land, huge tracts of land that belongs to residents of certain areas, is not just in Kilifi. Honorable Speaker, as you will